Welcome to Beautyistic. You've probably noticed that shaving is one of those beauty rituals that can either go smoothly or leave you wishing you had skipped it altogether. So today, we're looking at a product that promises to make your shaving experience not just effective, but enjoyable. Billie's Women's Razor Kit in the DreamPop color. Now, this isn't just any razor. It comes with a non-slip ergonomic handle, 4 5-blade razor refills, and even a magnetic holder to keep everything neat and tidy in your shower. Pretty cool, right? The main standout here is the razor's 5 sharp nickel-free blades, which are surrounded by aloe shave soap. This means a smoother, more hydrating shave. Perfect for those who want to avoid irritation, especially if you have sensitive skin. The pivoting head is another bonus. It adapts to the contours of your body, making it easier to shave without missing spots or nicking yourself. I'll be honest, I'm always a little skeptical of razors with fancy claims, but I've used this kit for a few weeks now, and it's definitely lived up to expectations. First off, the ergonomic handle feels great in your hand. It's designed so that even with wet hands, you won't lose your grip. The pivoting head glides smoothly, and the aloe-infused blades are surprisingly gentle on the skin. I noticed less redness and bumps compared to other razors I've used. Now let's talk about the real test, comfort. Some razors can feel aggressive, but this one really does the job without tugging or dragging. It's gentle, yet effective. Plus, the magnetic holder is a game changer. No more leaving your razor in a puddle of water or worrying about germs collecting on it. The holder sticks to the shower wall, keeping the razor dry and ready for the next use. Of course, no product is perfect, and the Billie Razor Kit does have a few drawbacks. The price is higher than your average drugstore razor, which might be a turnoff for some. And while I love the magnetic holder, it's not the most aesthetically pleasing design in the world. It's functional, but not a showstopper. When it comes to value for money, I'd say it's justified if you're someone who shaves regularly and values a smooth, comfortable shave. The kit is durable, and the blades seem to stay sharp for quite a while, so you're definitely getting your money's worth over time. I did compare it to a few other razors I've used, and the Billie Razor stands out because of the design and performance. The blade count is impressive, and the aloe soap strip gives it an edge in terms of comfort. Some cheaper razors I've tried don't offer the same smoothness or ergonomic design, but if you're looking for a budget option, there are alternatives available. However, you might not get the same level of comfort or ease of use. As for build quality, the handle feels solid, and the magnetic holder is a nice touch, though it could use some visual upgrades to match the sleekness of the razor. The refills are easy to snap in, and I didn't have any issues with the handle slipping or the blades dulling too quickly. Customer support hasn't been a personal experience for me, but I've heard good things about Billie's customer service, responsive and helpful when you have questions. Now, for those wondering about similar products, if the Billie Razor Kit is a bit out of your budget, I would suggest looking at other ergonomic razors with aloe-infused blades or similar magnetic holders. While they may not have the same sleek design, you can find budget-friendly alternatives that still give you a great shave. So to wrap it up, if you're looking for a razor that makes shaving easy, comfortable, and irritation-free, Billie's Razor Kit might just be the one for you. It's well-suited for those who shave regularly and care about having a razor that's both functional and stylish. The magnetic holder is an innovative touch that makes it stand out, and the performance is solid across the board. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful, inside and out.